Getting hit with the unexpected kernel mode trap error on Windows. This blue screen can crash your system out of nowhere, but there are ways to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome to Space Pro. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to solve this error and get the PC running smoothly again. For the first method, click on the search bar and type Windows Security. Click on Open. From all the options, click on Device Security. Now, then click on the Core Isolation Details under the Core Isolation section. Here, turn off the memory integration. If any permission pops up, click Yes. Then you have to restart your laptop or your computer or the device you are using. Okay, let's move on to the second method. Click on the search bar again and type System Information. Then click on Open from the search options. Here I have my BIOS version here. Make sure it is updated, and if your ones is the one you are currently using, you can update it, and an updation will be a solution of your problem. Then you have to restart your laptop and your computer. Okay, now let's move on to the third method. Click on the search bar and type CMD. Click on the options and then select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. From here, go to your description box and you will see two codes. Copy the first comment, the SFC / scannow, and paste it right here, then hit enter. Now your whole system will take a scan. You have to wait for it patiently. Okay, my scan is completed, and here you can see it's saying the Windows protection did not find any integrity violence. Here it is saying there is no types of violence in my computer or my PC, so I'm good to go. Now copy the second comment from your description box and paste it right here, then hit enter. Now it will take another scan in your device. Let's wait for it. Okay, once the scan is completed, here you can see it is saying beginning system scan. The process will take some time. Beginning verifying phase of system scan. And here it's now having a verification phase that will take another scan, and it might take a few minutes, so you have to wait patiently for another few minutes. Okay, now your scan is completed. In this section, press Y and then hit, make sure it's in capital Y, then hit enter. Okay, it will say that it did not find any integration violence. So my computer is totally fine and it's running good. Now you have to restart your computer, and home this will solve all your issues of your computer. Okay, now let's move on to the final method, the fourth method. Click the search icon or a search option, or you can press Windows +R to open the run box. In the comment section, type mdschkd.exe, then hit enter. From these two options, Click on the first option, Restart Now, and check for problems. This will again scan the whole system of your device, and if there is any problem, it will ask you to solve it, and you have to solve it, or it may solve it by scanning also. Then it will take a restart and your computer will be like a brand new window. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful and this video has given you a solution of your problem, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to SFC Pro. See you in another video. Bye.